Hello everybody, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing some of the items I got from Nigeria. It's mostly food items, so the video is going to be very quick, but I'm sure you'd enjoy it. So come along with me for the ride. Let's unbox. Hello, if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome, and if you're new on this channel, please do well to subscribe, comment, like, and engage our posts. Like I said earlier, I got some items from Nigeria which I will be unboxing in this video, and it's mostly food items. So if you need my plug, leave me a comment in the comment section and I'll get back to you. Okay, so for the items I got, I have a sweet tooth and I've been missing this popcorn, so I got some popcorn. And I have my wig. I got this wig last year, but they made a mistake and my mom was able to take it back and I just got the corrected version. So I got some plantain chips, some sardines. I love sardines. This is crayfish, blended crayfish powder, or rather blended crayfish, which gives me the crayfish powder. Yes, so crayfish powder, more crayfish powder, more sardines. I think I got about 10 pieces. Yes, so I think that's all for the sardines. Then this is my stockfish fillet. I got this pouch they use in making moi moi or okpa. Yes, it's less messy and easy to use. I got some native attires. Okay, I also got some chin chin and some coconut chips, more popcorns. This is soya spice, and this is okpa grounded or blended with some crayfish. I have my cocoyam powder. I use this as a thickener for my soups. I have some tomato paste, the onion and pepper kind. Yes, I love this. More native attires. Yes. Okay, so I'm moving on, opening the second box. I have some stockfish cutlets, more stockfish cutlets, more stockfish cutlets. I know. I have my dried catfish and asa fish, more dried catfish, more dried catfish. This is my blended egusi, and this is my blended ogbono. Then I have some ogiri, some iru and another ogiri, and that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.